Killgurl here. We're in a Vanderhall, getting ready to go up Forest Road 711, just off of Wayah Road. Hopefully you pick up a little noise from this awesome beast. Totally digging it. This is just kind of a connector road. The first few miles, probably about 4 to 5 miles, are, you know, really decent, nice pavement. It's a low traffic road, no residents on it, which means there's more likelihood for debris. So we're just going to take you up through here a little bit, show you what this Vanderhall is all about, and show you a really neat road in the process. And I am doing your commentating today because Daryl's intercom system seems to have a low battery, so now you've got to listen to me jabber. You know, we picked up this Vanderhall yesterday from Wolf Creek Rentals over in Stacoa, and like we've just been chomping at the bit to get in this thing since we found out that they were going to have them, and it's all in there for the first time. And the weather today is absolutely perfect. We're sitting right around, 60 degrees, I believe. Mostly sunny, a few little wispy clouds in the sky. Like, this is a perfect vehicle for this kind of day. You know, we're at the 7th of January, I believe. And it's very comfortable. This vehicle does have heated seats that will set your butt on fire, which is really nice after dark whenever it gets cold this time of year. Ooh, a lot of washout right there. And there is a fan, some heat that comes in that you can turn on so that you're not, completely just in the cold. Yeah, we've definitely been having a lot of fun with this thing yesterday. And today I actually drove it a little bit yesterday on the Dragon. It's weird getting used to. It's a different perspective. I mean, we've had low-sitting sports cars, and I've ridden motorcycles. But this is first trike of a reverse trike that I've ever been in, and it's odd, but it's really cool. Like, it's a different set of sensations that you get, but, from a motorcycle to a car. I have ridden a Can-Am trike on the back of it with Daryl once and really did not care for that at all. Like this, the little growl that this thing has, and the little turbo blow off is so cool. Here is one overlook. Pretty nice sunset from that point of view. If you're here late in the evening, the sun, I believe, sets off to the left. Like I said, this is a very low traffic road with no residents, so the debris is going to be a little more debris here, especially with the storms that we've had recently. Very windy, and we've had some snow, a lot of rain. Yeah, from the driver's point of view in this vehicle, it's a little tough to gauge where your outer, passenger side tire is, because you can't really see it from the driver's seat. You have a terrific view of, your driver tire. So your spatial awareness is a little skewed, a little different in this thing. But as with anything, with time you adjust, adapt, you get used to it. Actually coming upon other traffic. And he's easing over for us to go by. Looks like it's clear. Thank you. Always give him a little appreciation there. Makes us feel good about doing it. We're willing to do it for the next guy. It's almost like there's mold growing on the edges of the road. You can see in the green in the video. I'm pretty sure that's mold. Or not mold, moss. Listen to me. Moss. Yeah, I got it right. Start with an M. And go around with a little debris. Now, you can't really straddle anything with the Vanderhall because it is a reverse trike. Even if you straddle it with the two front wheels, you're going to run over it with the back one probably. So it's a little difficult to straddle anything, so you have to kind of be diligent and see your options and go around things as you can. And it's pretty tight quarters in this vehicle, so you got to be okay pretty much with touching whoever you're riding with or is riding with you if you're driving. I gotta say, I'm really digging this Vanderhall more than I thought I would. Initially, just didn't think I would care much for it, being in it, but I actually found myself wanting to drive it yesterday. It was like, hey, can I take it? And, followed Daryl on the mini bike, and it was really a lot of fun. So, maybe he'll hop in the passenger seat a little later and let me drive some. We can hope. Ooh, tree down. Gotta remember that on the way through. Or the way back through. Maybe that's what the fella in that truck was doing, going through and clearing the trees from the roadway. Be mighty sweet of him if he is. And I believe... No, I thought that was our destination, but maybe it's on up a little bit. Yeah, we're approaching a sign that says broken pavement ahead for the next 9 miles. And as you can see, we have reached the end of the good pavement. we're going to loop around and go back. If we were in a, four-wheel drive, all-wheel drive vehicle, something with better ground clearance, we could go down that way. We take the Macon down through there. It's a little bit of a process to do a turnaround. Yeah, so this big pull-off here will be your nice turnaround spot before you hit the more gravelly stuff. Kind of see the lake over to the right a little bit. And I hope y'all enjoyed Road 711 off of Wayah Road. Later, guys.